Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the science behind plant-based diets and weight loss. You may have heard that plant-based diets are effective for weight loss, but do you know why? Let's dive into the science behind it. Caloric intake. Firstly, let's talk about caloric intake. A plant-based diet is often lower in calories than a non-plant-based diet. This means that by consuming fewer calories, you can create a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Fiber. Another important factor for weight loss is fiber. Fiber is important because it helps you feel full and satisfied. Plant-based diets are typically high in fiber because they include a lot of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. By consuming a diet high in fiber, you are more likely to feel full for longer, and you will be less likely to overeat. Plant-based protein. Contrary to popular belief, plant-based diets can provide sufficient protein. There are many plant-based sources of protein, including beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and seitan. In fact, studies have shown that a high-protein diet can help with weight loss by reducing appetite and increasing metabolism. Reduced insulin resistance. Insulin resistance is a condition where the body's cells don't respond well to insulin, which can lead to weight gain and diabetes. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet may help improve insulin sensitivity, which can lead to weight loss. Conclusion. So there you have it, the science behind plant-based diets and weight loss. By consuming a plant-based diet, you can create a calorie deficit, consume foods high in fiber and protein, and improve insulin resistance. If you are looking to lose weight or improve your overall health, a plant-based diet may be worth considering. Thank you for watching.